Good morning and welcome to my channel Jules Craft Room, and today it's an unboxing. It's the Crochet Society and it's box 34. It's a lovely box, beautiful spring colours with the yellow. So I'm looking forward to seeing what's in there, so let's get cracking. Right, so inside you can see it's purple inside and it says inhale, exhale. And we've got this lovely yellow wrap in here. So I'll just open it. Ooh. Right, well, it does look lovely, doesn't it? So we've got this beautiful, it's DK. And it's this lovely sort of, it's a sort of a mint colour, I think. What does it say on the back? It doesn't give it a name. It just says colour 85. But it's a beautiful mint colour. And we've also got this lovely green. And they're 100-gram balls, and they're both, like I say, DK, double knit. And it recommends a 2.5mm crochet hook. So quite a small crochet hook, really. So the crochet hook that comes with it is actually 3.75, and that is it. It's pink, and then it's got this sort of white with spotty detail on it. Then we also have a stitch marker in the similar sort of theme. It's a hexagon with the spotty bits on it, so that's lovely. And I'm not sure what these are. We've got 5 of these hexagon things, some plain. So we've got, we've got 4 plain ones. So there's 4 plain ones and then 4 spotty ones, and they're sort of foam and they're hexagons. So I'll have to see what it says therefore in the book. And then in the little envelope we have, I've never seen them before, they're pins with a flat bit on them, and there must be about 20 in here. So I'm not quite sure what they're for. So here's the book, and it looks like the gloves are one of the choice of things you could make on there. So there's an introduction, then there's what's in the book, tea and chat with one of the designers. And this looks nice. It's a sort of a mat. It's called a mandala. It's a mat, and that's made out of that lovely mint and blue DK yarn. And they're doing that with the hook, the 3.75 hook. You also can do, so it says these hexagons, these are handy hexagons to block your latest crochet creations. And the pins are blocking pins. So that's what it's for. So they're blocking pins, and the hexagons are to help you block. There's also some other colours of the yarn you can get. There's a pattern for some mittens. Talking about becoming a blocking expert, which will be handy. And some more pages on blocking. And then there's this lovely cushion. So a lovely crochet cushion. Made out of the same mint and green. And then there's past makes from people who've sent in. And a taster of next month's crochet box. So yes, I'm not sure what I'll make. I'm tempted to do the mandala because it's just so pretty. And then you could use it like, I don't know, it might work as a table doily. So I shall see. But I think, let me know what you're going to make with your crochet box. But yes, that arrived this morning and it's a beautiful box. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.